If you are applying for the Student Loan Trust Fund and after entering your GhanaCard number, you see data not found, don't panic. When applying for the Student Loan Trust Fund in the portal, your details are pulled from the school database. So if your GhanaCard is not linked to your UCC student account, the system will not be able to fetch the data. We will open any browser of our choice and visit our student portal. We will log in with our index number and password. After logging in, navigate to where we have Update GhanaCard. When the window opens, enter your GhanaCard into the text field we have there and click on Submit Details to submit your details into the school database. After updating your student portal with your GhanaCard details, go back to the Student Loan Trust Fund portal, enter your GhanaCard and try again. But note, it takes a while for the data to be submitted into the government database as a whole so that they will be able to fetch your details from the UCC student database. This time, your details will be found and you can continue on the application. If you have any challenge, kindly put it in the comment section so that we will be able to assist you with the process. Like, share, and subscribe for more UCC and student loan updates.